Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't done a video in a few days, so I just wanted to do another video. Today I did a video called Little Live Pets Mouse House reviewed with my nan. So yep, we had the change of scenery we had in like her room over there. Yeah, I'm in a different room right now. I sometimes video in here and other stuff. Well, some things in here. Today I'm going to be doing a review. Just a quick Little Live Pet review on a Little Live Pet. And I am so excited to go and get it. So, I'm gonna go up. I'll see you in like a second maybe. But yeah, I'm gonna pause this video and go straight back. Hey guys, I'm back, and I brought some of my favourite Little Live Pets, and it's the Little Live Pet birds. I have quite a few of these. I have 3 here, and I have some of the season 1 upstairs, but you know, I just like to play with the new ones so far. So here they are. Here's the other one. And this is a Little Live Pets Tweet Talking Birds Playtime review. Or just the Little Live Pets and Birds Playtime review. And this is all the birds. So it has, this is the cage. This is like the review part. The review part first. So this is the cage. Inside has a food and water bowl. Right there. And this is one of the birds. So they have really cute wings. And this is how to turn them on. I think you just move it to the other side. Well, onto the left. This is how you open the cage. You need to just pull it open. Oops. I just knocked out one of the birds. And this bird cage only comes with one bird, and it's this little bird here. So I'm going to take this one out and put it over here. But this one does come with the cage, and she's called Ruby Bell. So she's so cute. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I'll just do it the way I want. And gotta move her feet. Yeah, do it the way that I think would be good. And well, by the way, when I said I'll do it the way I want, I meant like put her in a position that I want. So you guys can see, and there's her wings. They're so pretty. Here's the food and water bowl, and there's a perch which you can actually take out. Come out. Ah, here we go. Like this, and then you can put 2 birds on it. Oops. Inside the cage. We'll put everything back apart from the birds. So that's the cage. Cute. This is Little Live Pets up here. You can hang this cage, and it's the new season 5 birds, and I love them. I wonder what they'll be making next. This is one of the jewel wing, a glitzy wing, and another jewel wing. That's the type of birds they are, apparently on the packaging it said. And these are the birds of this. I can't get her to stand up just in the correct position. Actually, that's okay. You can see them, right? Yeah, so they are really cute. This is Pretty Pearl, this is Bonnie Blossom, and this is Ruby Bell. Again, this is the cage. This is what the back looks like exactly the same as the front. And there's a little hole so you can pet them, and there's one at the back as well, but a bit smaller. Over there. Now we're going to turn on the birds. This is Ruby. They record and repeat every word. Their beaks move as well, which is cool. You can pet them. I'll do one. Do your boot. Let's pet this one. Just give them a little... Which one was this? This one, yeah. This one. Just pet. Oops, they're rotating. Can you see if you can keep track of which one's saying which? Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh, this is saying it. They even say stuff without you saying it. I'm gonna say something. Hello! Hello! And you press it quickly again. Hello! And then she'll say it. That's cute. I'm going to do it with the other ones. My name is Bonnie Blossom. Let's take a selfie. No. My name is Bonnie Blossom. press it quickly. Let's do this one. Hello, my name is Ruby Bell. This is the microphone, and they are so cute. Hi. So cute. Yeah. They're all girls. I think there are 2 boys in this collection: Starcalled and Rainbow Ricky. I love them. By the way, there's a voting competition on the Little Life Pets. What I'm getting for Easter. Before Easter, please put that in the comments. And remember, if you're like, well, what if she doesn't get any votes? Don't worry, I will decide, and my decision is on the Little Life Pet Hedgehog House. But the votes are on, be quiet, on the Little Life Pets Hedgehog House or the Little Life Pets Owl and Baby. Which one do you want me to get? Just choose one, please, and that would really help me decide. So if I get like 1 vote for this, I'm afraid I'm going to have to get it. The more votes on the Hedgehog House will get, the more votes on that. If we get a tie, I'm going to have to choose one unless at the last moment someone votes. But yes, I'm going to be getting the Little Life Pet Hedgehog House if I do not get any votes. But yeah, I hope I do, because I love them. They're so cute. It was not tasting. Ruby Bell, she's cute. This is Ruby Bell, and she came with the cage. They're cute. I'm going to pet them at the same time. Oops. Let's see if I want you to see. Oops. Sorry. Right, ready? Did that work? Oh, I didn't get this one to my phone. Oh, I got all of them. That was so cute. I'm going to get them back now. What? I've got, this one is a really light pink with a beautiful wings that can, however, move a little bit. Just be careful that you don't actually pull them off. That's that one. I'll turn her off. You just move it to the middle, not the other side. I'll put her back in her cage. They are very loud. It's a good thing that you can actually turn them off. This is this one. She has a white beak. She's called Bunny Blossom. I don't know if you've noticed, but yeah, she does have sparkly, glittery, golden wings. Look at her beak. We'll put her in the cage. I did not expect that. I didn't know that they did that. That's something I've discovered. Right. You two over here, and you two, you can hang out while I show them how to put them in the cage. You just slide their feet into these 2 slots here, and I'll just slide this one in. So got it. Make sure there's a clip, and there's one. There's one of them. You just close it. Your bird. Okay. Which one? This is the next lighter pink, but it's just a little bit darker, so yes, there are differences. Don't know if you've noticed, but yes, she does have a really shiny heart jewel in her wing. And this is the little birdie. She has really cute wings, and now I'm going to turn her off and put her in the cage. She has really cute shiny wings, and same on the other side. Again, they do move. She's got a pink beak and same colour feet. However, on Bunny Blossom, it is a purple feet. So I'm just put this one in here. And finally, let me just show you them. See, she has purple feet, pink feet, white beak, and pink beak. Move them over there. Finally, we have one of my favourites, and it's the darkest one. Again, this is a jewel wing with a shiny jewel in it. Some of them have mohawks, some of them have glitzy, some of them have jewels. Some of them do come with the cage. The only ones that do come with the cage are the jewel and the mohawk, not the glitzy wings, unfortunately. Both wings kind of looks like a peacock, but they're really, really cute. Very soft. Make it really cute. And I'll just turn her off, and she has a matching beak to her feet, and so does Ruby Bell, but somehow Bunny Blossom has not. So I think the drawings have matching. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like it, share it with all your friends, and put down in the comments about the vote thingy that I said earlier. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe. Bye!